Hey guys, welcome back to Lily's Outdoor Adventures. Today I was in Newport and I went crabbing, got a mess of red rocks, woo! And then I got some herring. So, I haven't ever went herring fishing, but I'm going to take a few of these bigger ones here and I'm going to try to kind of deal with them like I do a trout. I'm just curious, alright? Don't come for me. I don't even know. I just want to try something different. There's a fish scale on my camera. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to see how they turn out. Might as well. Oh, there it is. This is my favorite fish fillet knife. I don't know why. I have fillet knives, but I always go back to this little simple paring knife. It's from Marico. Wow. Today was the best day ever. I had a great time. I met a lot of new people I've never met before. They were all super fun to crab and fish with. Saved my butt today. Oh man, I was really screwed at one point and they saved my ass. Let's see how. So the way I usually do a trout, go for this little hole right here. And then I cut up their little belly. I figure it's a fish, so it shouldn't be much different. So then you got your little belly here. You just go up the tummy, pull all that out. You know what? We're going to save all this for crab bait too. Why not? Okay. Rip that out. Now you got your little belly here. Okay. So you get your little herring all cleaned out and gutted. Then you're going to take its head. You're going to pop it back. Oh! This might not work like my daughters are on the other side of the camera, totally holding their faces right now. I didn't expect that, okay? I didn't expect the skin to apparently I just traumatized him. Okay, so this is not working. So earlier when I told someone else I was going to rip the skin off and fry him up, I might have been a big fat liar. Alright, so I might have to shoot. Might be too late now to do this part. Get all the scales off. Descale a fish. Because if you're frying them up, you can't eat the scales. Oh no. I want to descale them all. That's a pain in the butt. Oh shit. Alright. Well, almost coming off. It's like I'm peeling a little bit of skin at a time. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Okay, next. I'm gonna try to fillet it. I really want just some of the good meat from this big fish. Okay. Scooch your boot. Ooh, my cow could have bag. Okay. Now, we're just gonna grab one. We'll try this again. Nope. Oh. We're gonna cut under its little gill. And try to fillet it. Oh my god! It's the smallest little fillet ever. That's a bad idea. And I didn't bleed them out because they're tiny, so this is, you know. Oh my god. Okay, now I see why people don't do this with herring. I had to try it out. It does not work. Alright. We got the smallest fillet I have ever seen in my life. Now, we got our fish. Has no head, no tail. All the scales are gone. The inside's clean. Alright. Woo! X. Okay, this one has seen better days, so it's just gonna go in the bait. All this up, our little tiny fillet. We gotta cook it. I don't care. I worked really hard on that little fillet. That one's gonna be kept. All right, let's see. Let's just get this one. This one looks good. But first, we're gonna descale it.
You should like give me
A fish, or
a
hand you a fish? There you go. I don't know. We're about to find out why she wants.
No!
I'm gonna do maybe 4 of them. My dad taught me everything I know about fishing and crabbing. He just did. When I was little, this is the stuff we learned. Now as an adult, he's still teaching me stuff. Thanks, Dad. Love you. Huh? Kiss it? Alright, Sophie. We need the water in just a minute.
Okay.
Oh, no wonder why it's not working. It's not my normal knife. Oh yeah, this one's all... I want to go try to catch a lingcod off the rocks now that we got herring bait. Aw, they're so cute. Look how cute they are. They're all ready to be cooked. I don't know, I gotta know, man. Alright, I'm gonna put crab in here first. My daughter's messing with you guys. Drop all this crab in here. Whoops. Gosh, I'm such a freaking klutz, man. I'm a train wreck. Usually I call myself a hot mess, but today we're just gonna say I'm a train wreck. Alright. There we go. A little bit of garlic salt. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna season the fish too. A little bit on the inside of them here. Oh my god. This is the most little fish I've ever cooked. A little bit of pepper. Now, we're just gonna bread our little fishies. Our little herring. Oh yeah, don't forget the fillet. Well, I'm gonna dab it in some of the salt because I forgot. Alright. Look at it, it's so cute. It's like an inch tall. It's like one bite of food. It's all good. Hey, they're breading up good, just like a trout does. Alright. We got a breaded herring here. You only live once. Try new things. Why not? He's looking good. It's a little pan. They look a lot bigger than they are. I reckon they're looking pretty dang good. Yeah. I might oil a little hot, but that's okay. I get cold sores all the time. I've gotten them since I was little. Since I was like 7 years old. I've gotten cold sores. They're so annoying. One thing I found though that using just rubbing alcohol to like dry them out, makes them to where they don't spread and stuff. I don't know if any of you guys get cold sores that often, but when you do, rubbing alcohol, it burns, but God, it works. Has anyone else done this? Am I just new to the party? Caught it. Well, they smell good. They look good. So there you have it, folks. There's some little guys. Some little herring. Let's go taste them. I'm curious. I know they're going to taste good. Like, I don't know why I'm expecting anything else, but... Oh, okay. Alright, so the skin cooked up nice and good. Oh yeah, there's her tiny little bones. I knew they were gonna be like paper thin. So I might still have bones in there, but they should just be like a hair at this point. Oh man. You know what? The texture reminds me of trout, but the flavor just reminds me of an ocean fish. Oh man, that's good. Like I said, they're little and a little bit of a pain to deal with. They have these little tiny bones. But the flavor, you guys, if you take the time to do this, it's really worth it. Oh, they're so good. Well, there you have it. Apparently you can deep fry some herring. They're a little bit of work because they're tiny. But god dang it, you guys, those are some good fish. Well, until next time, follow me for more tips and tricks and little random ideas that you can do with some herring. Alright guys, until next time, like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Super important so you can see more of my content. Alright guys, have a good day.